What is up, you guys? So I am bringing to you guys a whole new thing to my channel. It's not extremely new. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about this, but this is what I want to bring to my channel. Excuse my hands, I just got done filming a DIY craft with me video. You guys will love it. I just recently got approved for a Sephora card, and the last thing I wasn't like 100% legit with Sephora was their play box. So I decided, why not bring the play box to my channel? One thing I do want to throw out there is we are at 572 subscribers. You guys rock. You guys are awesome, and I just want to say thank you for hanging around. When we do hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm probably going to do a 5-person giveaway. I'm doing a huge giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friends, tell your family, whatever, to subscribe. So without other ado, let me hush my mouth and let's get into this video. This is a $10 monthly subscription box. I will link the description of Sephora Play if you are interested. They do send you goodies, little sample sizes every month, and it just gives you an opportunity to see if you're going to enjoy this little bit of products for future reference. Maybe you want to buy the full size, who knows, but yeah, like a bitch. Let's jump into this. Alright, you guys, so the first thing you get is, this is my first box. I already had it open just so we can open it. I have no idea what's in here. So it says right here you get a little 20% off thing of any foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB, or CC cream. Use this code, blah, 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 blah. So you get that. And okay, I did see, like, I guess the products are on the back of what you get. So this is pretty much just kind of telling you, like, what you're getting and maybe how to use them. I don't know. We'll worry about this later. Let's dive into the goodies. So the box is something like this, and then you get a little bag that looks something like this, and it is blue for this month, and this one says Miniature Beauty Major Satisfaction hashtag Sephora Play. And you can recycle this if you are somebody who is in recycling, and you can also recycle this box as well. So let's open this bad boy. I can't see anything from the back. And let's start with the first thing. Okay. So we got this little guy. I'll let you guys see it first. And this is a Waso Shiidio. It is a clear mega hydrating cream. Very interesting. It is very small packaging, you guys. It is a 18 ounce. Alright, let's see. Ooh, this smells really good. So this is what the inside of it looks like. So you do kind of get quite a bit of product in here. Can't wait to use this. You guys know I love face stuff. Let's just make my face look flawless as long as we can. I'm 32. We're getting up there. Alright, the next thing is, okay, so we got a Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So this, you guys, is going into the giveaway because I have my MAC Fix Plus, and I really love this. So I've heard good things about Urban Decay, but this is definitely going to be a little goodie going into one of the 5 subscriber giveaways. So I'm setting that off to the side right now. Alright, the next thing is this. Okay, what is this? It is a green little tube. So it looks like smoothing treatment lotion. And it says, shake well, put on clear skin, or clean skin, with cotton pad or fingertips AM and PM. Alright, so this is Dr. Andrew for Origins. I have used products from there. I'm not really crazy about their face moisturizer. I felt like it made my face feel extremely greasy and oily. I don't know if that was just my skin, but this says Mega Mushroom Relief and Resistance Smooth Treatment Lotion. Let's see what it smells like. Whew. Okay, this is strong. And this is bubbly for a lotion. Alright, so how to use this guy, you guys, is shake the bottle to activate the ingredients. Pour a grape-sized amount into your palm and use fingertips to apply to clean skin, and then follow the rest of your routine. Okay, so this is like a liquid lotion. I'm not really sure about that yet, you guys. Don't know about that one yet. Alright, so let me go into the next product. Alright, so we have a DP Hue something. And it looks like it is a apple cider vinegar hair mask. I could definitely use this. You guys can tell I do now dye my hair dark purple. And even though I use Arctic Fox is a leave-in conditioner. So it definitely repairs your hair instead of damaging it while you are dyeing your hair. But it's always good to just throw something into your hair. I might throw this like into my hair maybe a week or two before I decide to touch up the purple again. So I just recently touched my hair up for that. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Alright, so we have a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And this is a 0.10 fluid ounce. It is a hydrating primer based hydration. So I will definitely get use out of this because one of my primers I think is getting a little gross. When I went to put it on, it has like this yellow cast to it, and I don't think that's a good sign. So that will definitely come into use. Alright, and let's see. The last product. Alright, so what did we get? Alright, we got a kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser, and this is a face wash. So yes, we have something else for our face. So it just looks something like this. This is what the box looks like. And this is actually what the actual product looks like. I'll probably keep this in my shower just so I have it just to throw it on my face if that's how you use it. I don't know. We'll see here. So how to use this bad boy is there's one simple mission behind this brand's amazing skincare. What you put on your skin should be whole, nutrition, and clean as what you want to put in your body. So I guess you can just use it as however you use anything else. So yeah, that was everything in my October Sephora Play Box. We will recap a little bit. So we do have the Urban Decay all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray that is going to be going into the giveaway. And then we got this kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. And then we have this Origins lotion. We have a hair mask. We have a little primer to test out. And then we have a Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. So that is awesome to try. I love putting stuff on my face before I go to bed. It just feels nice, calming, and relaxing. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this October Sephora Play Box. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. See you guys.